Hello, gorgeous people! You just know by now that I have my coffee right beside me and my jug of water. Just arrived home from the gym. I ate a bit. And I want to code. That's it. Alright, guys. So, my next training in my tutorial series, or in my. Yeah, actually, in my tutorial. In my learning book, let's say, is functions and while loops. Right, this is a site called Reeborg's World, which is for helping beginners to learn programming using Python. Right? Now, let me see, because I rarely... It's my second time when I enter on this site. Okay, here we have challenges. I've done the first 4. I don't know what's up below other worlds. I checked other worlds. The worlds in this collection require you to use one or more of the following more advanced concepts, like variables, function arguments, mathematical operations, including increment and decrement, Python lists, duct, tuples, JavaScript, array, and objects. Dictionaries I know, lists we know, tuples, dictionary, actually we don't know yet. I only read in a book about dictionaries. I read about tuples. If I remember correctly, tuples are lists that are not changeable. Dictionary are just, let's say, a more complex list. Right? We know about mathematical operations, incrementing and decrementing, I suppose, is addition and subtraction. Not sure. Incrementing and decrementing. Function arguments and variables. When you drink coffee, and especially for the first time, your first sip, you have to give the respect to the coffee. You have to take a short break, close your eyes, just to take all in. That's how you do it. After that, you can code. Right, so we have difficulty levels. As you can see, okay, as you can see, we have a little robot, which I know that we can change. I will show you in a second. Write the program that makes Reeborg go home. What you need to know: the function move. Functions are basically places that contain repetitive things. Like, for instance, if you every day you live at, I don't know, the 5th floor, and every day you use the stairs to go down and go up, you use a function for that. You don't write every day go up, go down. You just use a function that uses go up, go down, and when you want to go up or down, you use that function. Very easy concept to understand, to comprehend. Super cool. Right. The difficulty level, as we can see, is only 1. Robot located at position X, which is the horizontal line, and Y is the vertical line, will equal 3, and on horizontal is 1. Goal to achieve: the final position of the robot must be X1, and Y1, right? I've done this, as I said. I've done the first 4, which is just, see, they just increase a bit the difficulty. Okay, let me see. This is easy again. Easy. I want a challenge. Okay, let's see. So let's delete everything. And I presume that, you know what? Let's see. Where is the... Oh, as I said, here you can change the icon of the robot. If you can check it down here. Yeah, this one. So we have the commands. As you can see, move, turn left. You just move. Let's say moving. If you run this, forgot about the colon. One or more objects are not at the correct location. Is that the correction? Is that the position? Let me see. I think I have to call moving. Yeah. Okay. So while the front is clear, move. Can I use else statements at while loops? Left is clear, not front. Else turn left. Move. Let me see what happens. Okay. We have 24. The I think I have to collect the apples that I have here. How can I see the objective? La, 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 la. Da da dun dun da da dun dun da da dun dun da da dun. Ba da bum bum ba ba bum 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 ba da bum. Do 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 do. I saw take right somewhere. Take. Hmm. This is simple, right? Yeah, it's very simple. I see apples. I think I have to collect them because I have here take. But I wanted to make a function. So for example, taking apple, it will be object here. Take. While front is clear, move, else taking apples. He's not taking any apple. Ah, okay, we have one apple. I saw it. Ah, okay. The front is clear. I just said move. But a while loop checks this function, right? If this is true. Okay, we have to collect each apple. Right. Let me see what happens if I say heal. Here. While. Object here. Take. Else. Move. Wait. That's true. No. Let's say object here. Take. And when it's not, move. This should, let's see. No object found here. Yeah, taking apple is a local variable. Global variable. Let me see. Wait. Actually, let's leave this. Object here, take. Okay, now here we have to while taking apple is true. Actually, this is will take. Let me see what's happened. What happened if I say move? Okay, the decode. Ooh. Wait. He's not taking. He's taking the last one. Okay, so I see that this thing. But if I say here, front is clear, I have to check the position because I see that he's moving. See? At goal, front is clear, right is clear, wall in front, wall on right, object here, carries object, east facing north. Move, turn left, take, put, toss, build wall, pause, done, think. Sound, true, world, used robot, no highlight. Oh, brother! So that's what we have to do to collect each apple and go home with everything. Okay, if we make a while loop will run infinitely until our condition is false. Definition repeats a certain action. We don't have the check. We just have take. Front is clear, right is clear, wall in front. All right. Okay. Move is turn right, turn left. 1, 2, 3. If, let me try an if taking equals true, if taking equals true, object here take. Okay. Elif moving Hey. Yep. Yep. If taking is true, which means object here take. Just let's make another turning. Okay, let me think the logic here. So elif so first of all we check if we have an object take. Okay, elif moving elif wall in front, turn left. Let's see if this works. Code is not, yeah. Let me see. Elif. So I'm thinking and I'm trying to do the code without knowing a lot about things when I do my projects. Because I try to figure out solutions. I only know the basic concept of how it works, but that's it. I don't know if there is a special syntax or if I make a syntax error, and most certainly I do some mistakes while writing the code. In Python you have to be super precise. Yeah, so basically this is very simple. The logic I get it like very easy. I just have to move if an object is here take, otherwise move. And we have one more if, wall in front, turn left, move, and repeat the process all over again. Let's make a diff and say complete. And I'll say object here take. Front is clear. Move. Let's see what happens now. Let me say move. It will just move. No, what? What? Man, it's so... are not at the correct location. I think I have to call. Complete. Okay, so he moved and took the object. Move. If object here, take. Front is clear. Move. But he stopped there. So it should go up to here. Let's see. And the third one, after this move, the program stopped. Let me read the def. Defining our functions, that's it. Okay, so it stopped, meaning that it runs only one time. I can check the number of empty spaces, for example here, and adjust my code. But no, I want to make it automatic, so my here will stop. Let's run it again. Take. Okay, it stopped over there. It stopped over there. Yeah, I have to make a while loop because this is just a step of action. So front if clear, move. Let's say while complete. I don't know. It's not indented correctly. I never use while loops. This is true, so it means that I have to say something like equals true. Move. Let me see if something happens. No. Let's see if I delete that. The code is not indented correctly. If I place it here. System vars lock. Da 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 da. Yeah. I need a while loop, dude. See, while this is true. Repeat, I don't know what's up with that. Range, I know. I worked with range. Not. I never used not. I only tried today something. And yes or continue, I don't know. Break. I know something. I know that when a while loop runs, we can break it with break. Continue, I think it just continues, skips one line and continues. For in, we use that. Such a simple program, as you can see. Everything that I do is so simple, and everything that I learned so far is so simple in theory, but in practice it's just a bit. You have to pay attention more. Okay, so I just write it we just write our function, we defined our function, and I want to use the function in a while loop. But I see that I cannot use in the while. Let me see if I say complete. I mean, while complete, and we have the action inside. Indented, the code is not indented correctly. Wait. I don't know, let's just put a random thing there. Okay. Let's stop it. Let me see. Move. Let me see. Okay, he moves. Okay. So he's only moving once. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh. Okay. All right, let's go again. Okay, let me see. Wait. Let's go again. So while is check, so moves object here. There is no object. Can I use the argument take in the parentheses? Like if object is here, take. I do not think we can do this. I don't think I can do that. It stops here. Okay, so we took that. Okay, so it moves now. Checks for an object. If we have an object, it will take that. Let's think what we have to check. So okay, it will move. It will go picking object here, take. Okay, after that, it will go move, picking object here, take, otherwise move. Okay, let's see. This is redundant. There is no object to take. Can I make an if not in a def? Can I say else in a def? King moving. Oh man, this error breaks me. It's come on, man. Mm-hmm. This clear. Front is clear. Move. Oh. Okay. So we definitely have to create. We know that we have to work with functions, defining functions, and the while loops. As I said, as I've done previously, let's define. Let me think. Yeah, we can define, let's say picking again, and I'll say here object. Where is the object here? Take. Okay. Then I will define turning, and I'll say here wall in front, turn left. And move. Let me think. Yeah, it will run once. Now, while not at goal. Oh man. While true. If front is clear. Move. If object here. Take. If wall in front. Turn left. Okay, boys, we did it. As I said, the thinking part is really easy. If the front is clear, just move, but check. If there is an object, then take. Check again if we have a wall, turn left. And check again if we are at the goal. It's done. Run it through a while loop. And we complete it. I just had to watch this piece of code and we did it. This is so cool. I love it. So guys, I'll see you in the next challenge.